Hello, good day, everyone. So today is July 27, Tuesday. Okay, so let us take a recap of previous important economic data first. So the first one is DE, which is German. Okay, Germany. IFO Business Climate, July. Okay, so the previous is 101.7. The forecast is 102.1. So the actual is 100.8. Okay, which is slightly lower than the forecast and previous. So we should take the euro dollar for bearish for the day. Okay, so the next one is US new home sales June. Okay, so the previous is 724k. So the forecast is 800k, but the actual is 676k, which is lower than the forecast and the previous. So we should take the US dollar for bearish of last night. So as we can see that we go back to the market graph. So we can clearly see here the US dollar went down. I mean the US dollar index went down last night. Okay, so we go back to our PowerPoint here. So the next one is previous day recap on previous day market volatility. So the first one is XAUUSD, which is gold. The market volatility of last night is declined 130 pips, as we can see here at the right side, the market graph or at our right side here, inside the red rectangle here. Okay, so let us read the factor what happened on the gold price of last night. Okay, so the gold prices fell slightly on Monday. Okay, spot gold closed at 1797.63 per ounce in late trading. Okay, so the lowest closing level since July 6. So the investors became cautious on the eve of the Fed's policy meeting. Okay, so which overwhelmed some of the support brought by the weakening US dollar. Okay, so the gold will more likely be remain fluctuate until the FOMC meeting. Okay, so the next one is WTI crude oil. Okay, so the market volatility of last night is declined 170 pips, then rebound, as we can see here in the market graph at our right side here inside the red rectangle. So it fell down and then it rise up again. Okay, so let us read the market volatility factor here. What happened on WTI crude oil last night? So earlier in the market, the two major indicators of crude oil prices both fell by more than $1. Okay, so the spread, because of the spread of the Delta mutant virus, caused concerns about fuel demand. Okay, so however, the decline in oil prices is limited because crude oil supplies are expected to be tight for the rest of this year. So that's why it fell and then it rise up again. Okay, so the next one is for today. So we don't have any important economic data in Asia section or and Euro section, but when come to US section, there are two important economic data we have to take note. So the first one is US durable goods orders monthly June. So the previous is 2.3%, the forecast is 2.1%. So the data release time is at 8:30 tonight. So if higher than expected reading should be taken as positive or bullish for the US dollar. So while a lower than expected reading should be taken as negative or bearish for the USD. Okay, so the next one is US Conference Board Consumer Confidence. Okay, July. So the previous is 127.3. So the forecast is 124.1, which is lower, slightly lower than the previous the forecast. So the data release time is at 10 o'clock tonight. So if higher than expected reading should be taken as positive or bullish for the USD. So while lower than expected reading should be taken as negative or bearish for the USD. Okay. So the next one will come to the market update today for gold. For the resistance level today is at 1811. Okay. So for the support level is 1789. So my personal opinion for today, the market will still continue to range until the FOMC, until the interest rate decision on at 2 o'clock 2 a.m. in the morning on Thursday. Okay, so let us read the factor here. Okay, factors here. During the day, we will focus on U.S. durable goods orders and the CB, the Conference Board consumer confidence. Okay, so recently, due to the soaring inflation in the United States, consumer confidence in the United States has begun to decline. Okay, so analysis believes that whether temporarily or permanently, inflation has begun to erode American consumer confidence and consumption. Okay, so June durable goods orders data may fall slightly, good for gold prices, but the gold prices may continue to fluctuate in the day until the Fed's interest rate decision is released. Okay, so but we still have to look out the point. Look at the market graph here, the right side market graph here. So if the gold prices didn't fall below 1789, the support line here, so the gold more likely will continue to fluctuate. I mean, if the gold stay inside 1789 until 1811, so the gold will remain fluctuate. So if the gold price fell below 1789, then the bearish will confirm, and then we will look for further downside. So if the gold prices rise above 1811, so we will look for further upside. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you wish you have a good day, and we'll see you again. Bye bye.